Hello to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. This is the hourly time frame. And what we can see here is that we have some major resistance and major cluster basically that this currency pair respected in the last, I will say, last 5 to 10 days. So we can see here, this is a level where we got this major upside move and then this resistance on the rally and this rally here. So this is quite a significant area around 1.2, 150. And we had also, if we go to the higher frames, this is also significant support. So basically the pound is kind of in between those levels. This is also very significant support area at 1.2093. And market actually found a beating yesterday of that low after there was no downside continuation and the break after the breakout of this key support. And market rallied, but here we can see that in the last yesterday in the later stage, market started basically here to build a wedge. So market did rally initially and then it slowed down drastically here. And we can see that market broke down. So the scenario here might be just, let's say, more likely scenario. Market can retest 1.2097, maybe even the low at 1.2075. Now the alternative scenario of market will clear the high and clear 1.2155 and hold above, then there is a chance for retest of this pivot high at 1.2176 and even higher prices towards 1.2235. But only in the case if we can break this level and hold above. So those are the two scenarios that I'm observing. So for now, basically based on this breakdown, the downside is more preferable. If we speak about the gold market, again, this market is building consolidation contraction. So we can see that there is the bigger triangle is building here. So, you know, as long as that's the situation, and if anything meaningful to the upside, I would like to see the price above 1997 and hold above. And that will open the door potentially for 2010, 2020 mark. Now, anything meaningful to the downside as well, there's a lots of underlying pivot lows, pin bar lows, so there must be some bigger downside break, I will say, below the 1960 mark in order for me this to be interesting for the downside and potential downside move towards even 1930 or 1910 mark. So for now, market is in consolidation, building this triangle, and there is potential for the breakout. So speaking of the crude oil, we can see that market is trading near important pivots. So market reacted here and kinda is in the no man's land here between this support and this resistance. 86.53 is resistance, an area around 83.50, 83.60, and 82.50 is the support zone. So here basically is a no man's land. Anything meaningful to the upside above this level, potential test of 89.24. If we can break and hold. From other side, only if we can, from my perspective, break this 82.50, 82.30 bar, then that can open the door for the lower prices towards the 80 mark or so. So for now, market in the consolidation here. And speaking of the Bitcoin, nothing changed compared to the previous forecast. We're still building this bigger triangle. And we're still in the consolidation. Anything meaningful to the upside, I would like to see the break above 35,000 and hold above to open the door for 37, 38,000. Anything meaningful to the downside, I would like that the Bitcoin can clear the 33,000 and then, you know, hold below, and that can open the door for lower prices, potentially towards 30,000 or 29,500. So that will be all, guys, for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good day and have a good weekend, and speak to you from next week, from Monday.